All right, guys, you wake up one morning, start your car, and the car won't crank. So you open up your engine compartment and you see this. Ooh, this does not look good. Not only that, this battery is about 5 years old, so it's at the end of its life. Let's get this thing swapped out and see what we can do to prevent that. Stay tuned. Alright, so we're back. So there are many tricks on how to clean that. Some may say Coca-Cola or just a metal wire brush. So that's what I'm going to use, a metal wire brush. But anyways, we're going to swap this battery out and see what we can do to prevent that from happening and keep the longevity of your battery. Let's get this thing taken off. But before that, I'd like to introduce this, the battery wrench. This is made out of plastic and some metal, is to prevent contact between the terminals. The way this thing is set up, as you can see here, let's go check it out. Yeah, the bolt is facing there, so if anything happens or your socket wrench slips and makes contact with the negative, you're gonna arc your battery. So this thing, as a safety measure, it's only a few bucks. I'll have a link in the description to check it out. And so yeah, let's get this thing taken off.
Alright, we're going to be using the NOCO NCP2 Battery Corrosive Preventative. Going to be spraying this on the terminals to prevent the nasty crust from forming. Currently live in the Rust Belt, so this thing will definitely help me out in the long term, as you saw that nasty crust I just showed you. So let's get that battery installed and spray this baby on.
Alright, after wire brushing most of that crap off, I got this handheld blower. Did a review on this. This thing actually works pretty well. Let's clean up this area. Gotta clean up these leaves, but anyways, for the most part, now I have access to that bolt. I might need to scrub a little bit more. Man, that bolt is crusted over. Jeez, I hope my 10 mil can attach to that. Alright, after spending like 10 minutes fighting with this thing, finally using a pry tool to pry this baby off. As you can see, with the bolt fully loosened, this thing is still stuck together. So definitely going to need a deeper clean, scrub off all that corrosion, get this battery out, and spray that NCP2. Alright, these wire brush drill attachments come in really handy when you're cleaning up this crap here. Alright, so apparently after cleaning this thing is so corroded that it's basically welded together. So in order to get the negative terminal in, I'm going to have to hammer it down, and I'm going to go online to look for a replacement, replace it whenever I can. But in the meantime, alright, now that I've gotten much of it down for now, let's get the NCP2, shake it up. Let me clear out this area first. Spread this baby on. That's all you need. You don't need too much. And this side. Alright, so this should prevent corrosion from happening. Let's take a look right here. And on the positive, I need a little bit more on the positive. Just open it up. Alright, should be good enough. And that's that. Going to be needing to change this. Actually, it did break open eventually after hammering it down. So we'll see how this negative terminal clamp lasts. Since it's been so badly corroded, I might need to swap it out. But so far, so good. Gonna get into the car and turn it on. All right, let's go. Ooh, starts up as if brand new. All right, guys, if you wanna go check out the NCP2, I'm gonna have a link in the description, and with whatever tools I used
to do this change. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. All right, this is my Toyota Tacoma's battery. Got this one last year. See, 2023. The NCP2 is still on there. Some of it dissolved over time, but so far no corrosion at all. So this product does work. Might need to reapply it maybe next year. So I would say every 2 years. Just a light spray, light extra coating, but make sure you scrub it off first. As you can see, all the dirt build up, but so far it works great.